Let's say you're studying the Cuban Missile Crisis and you're trying to get ready for a test on the Cuban Missile Crisis. So you go to Wikipedia and search for Cuban Missile Crisis and you find this article. Now let's select the link to this article and we'll copy it with Command C, Control C on a PC. Now let's go to a Google Sheet, a new Google Sheet, and I've already enabled Sheet GPT, and I'm going to click in a cell and I'm going to type a prompt. So I've written write 5 multiple choice questions based on this article at, and now I'm going to press Command V on my Mac. It would be Control V on a PC to paste the link to this Wikipedia article about the Cuban Missile Crisis. Now let's go down to a different cell and I'm going to type my little formula, $GP, select GPT, click in the reference cell and press close parentheses. And you notice you've got a little link there to the Wikipedia page, but you don't have to worry about that. Now I'll press enter. And now I've got 5 multiple choice questions about the Cuban Missile Crisis, including the answer. And if I wanted not to have the answers, I can go back up to my prompt, click on the first cell where the prompt is, and sometimes it's easier just to go up to this area to edit the prompt. So I'll type don't include answers. Now I pressed enter and we're loading a new set of multiple choice questions, and this time we don't have the answers. And let's see, I can go to text wrapping and select wrap and drag out the width of that column so it's more readable. And just to be clear, Sheet GPT is not going out to the internet and linking to that Wikipedia article and then reading it and coming up with these questions. However, Sheet GPT is reading the link, the https://etc. for this Wikipedia article. So it knows that this is a Wikipedia article about the Cuban Missile Crisis. So it's digging into its own knowledge base about the Cuban Missile Crisis to come up with multiple choice questions. So you could do this with short answer questions or essay questions just by pointing Sheet GPT at the URL or the link for a Wikipedia article.